Tony, what are you doing?
Making cookies.
Cookies. Can I see?
Yeah.
What kind?
Chocolate chip.
Ooh, that looks tasty.
And it's not February. November 21st, 2012. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so we're baking cookies.
Right.
This is the first time we're making these kind of cookies.
You want to give that a taste and see if it's ready?
Okay.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
What does it taste like?
Cookies. And I'm older from the last video I made with me about 3 or 4 years ago. That Super Mario one. Sam was being Shy Guy. Shy Guy said he was 4 years old, and I shouted that out.
Looks pretty good. Should we bake them?
Yeah, we should. This dough tastes good. I think we should pour this in there.
Okay.